Guys, what is up? Good morning. Got the car in the back here. Let me get the lighting right. So decided to go for a morning drive here in this Monday morning. Try to get some pictures of the car. Didn't really go according to plan. Came up. There's a spot here on Key Biscayne. It's a really scenic view. You can see it in the back. Over here, you can get off, and if you're familiar with the Miami area, get pictures at this new spot. I think I might have missed the exit or something, or just did not go according to plan, but we're going to try to make the best of it. We'll try to hit that spot on the way back if there's, I don't know, an exit. But we're here by the beautiful water. Try to make some pictures of it, make the best of it. It is golden hour right now, so yeah, just get right into it. Wanted to take you guys on this morning drive here, just sort of like a vlog style video. Get some pictures of this back of this scenic view. Weather is amazing today. It's like 72 degrees right now. So yeah, let's get some pictures, maybe some videos, see how they come out. All right, to make matters worse, I don't know, something wrong with the focus on this camera. So nothing's really going right. But luckily I have another camera, which is the iPhone. So got that 15 Pro, gonna take some photos of that. I think they come out great, even on compared to the A7 III. So yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Everything is malfunctioning here. My driving, the camera, but the view is really nice. Car's looking really good in this light. Just cleaned the wheels myself yesterday. Not a bad job considering they're not ceramic coated. The color really pops with this sunlight. Go over here, you can see it. Yeah, I love the color of these wheels. Offset with the GT Silver. Next is actually front spoiler on the front there. Should give it a more aggressive look on the front end. So looking to put that on the next week or so. Alright guys, I'm happy to say we actually found this location. There's actually a turn off of this road heading back down west. But you only get one try. You gotta turn right. Hopefully this video doesn't go viral so other people don't find this spot, but it is what it is. You can see it's all brand new. It's like one other car here. It's Monday morning. Beautiful view of downtown. Of course, with the car there. And yeah, I'm gonna take some hopefully epic photos. I think Ricky Boada, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. If you're watching that video, I don't want to kill your last name. And also Esteban were here, and they got some awesome pictures. And I was driving through months ago and saw them doing construction. It took them like a year to open this up, but it's back open. And yeah, it's a great view of downtown and the water. Beautiful morning. this is a pretty cool spot. It's lining up parallel fashion here, but got the bushes kind of blocking the wheels there. Just line it up for the video. You can see the Miami skyline in the background. It's beautiful lighting hitting the car. Yeah, it's like 72 degrees. Doesn't really get much better than this. Here's another location. Well, same location, just different angle. That was pretty cool. The sun is hitting that car, and those colors are really coming out now, especially on the buildings. This makes it a great time to come here and get some pictures, because the lighting is just perfect. Did forget to mention, did some tinkering with the fitment at Park House. It's looking pretty flush now. Let's see if we can focus on the back one. Yeah, there we go. Not bad. I dropped it on iBox Springs last year. I think we could actually go lower. I actually got the H&R Springs too, but may have to do coilovers. Looking just right. Alright guys, I think that about does it. Signing off from here. Took a ton of videos, ton of photos, a ton of content for maybe at least a week to post. Yeah, awesome location. Amazing weather, amazing drive. Just another blessed day here in Miami, and until next time, next video, thank you for watching.